Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate again, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing. If you're having trouble with that, make sure to watch the video till the end, and now let's begin the video. First of all, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to its latest version. For that, open Play Store. In here, search for Instagram, and if your app is missing out any updates, you will see update option where I have opened. Simply tap on update and let your Instagram app get updated. After that, go back and check for your issue. If that still doesn't help, now again open settings on your device, tap on apps, and now again tap on Instagram. Here, tap on storage and cache, and then again tap on clear cache. This will remove the temporary file linked to Instagram, and that might help you to solve the issue. Go back to Instagram, check for your issue, and if that doesn't still help, make sure that you have proper internet connection and try switching your internet connection with your mobile data and check whether you can see Instagram Reels or not. If all this still doesn't help, the last option you can do is open the Instagram app and then now go to your profile by tapping on your profile from the bottom right corner, and then again from the upper right corner tap on three-line menu. In here, tap on settings and privacy, and now scroll down to the more information and support. Under that, tap on help, and again from the very first of the list tap on report a problem, and then again tap on report problem, and in here tap on include and continue. There you can type in your issue, say that you can see your Instagram reel. Once you're done with that, you can also attach the screenshot of your problem. Once you're done with that, tap on send, and now your issue has been sent to the Instagram service center. It will take 2 to 3 business days, and Instagram will find the issue or box on your account, and then you will be able to see reels on your Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.